Good morning. We have a beautiful collection from Rachel Comey. These are all Rachel Comey fabrics, and we just put them together so that you could really see the versatility. And I want to show them to you because it's really, really exciting. This is 100% cotton. It's punturum. A punturum is not a fabric. I know it's misunderstood. It's actually a weave. Punturum is a weave. So it can be any fiber. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's got the coolest border. Watch tomorrow night. You're going to see what I did with it. 100% cotton. Just lovely, lovely, lovely. Then we have a polyester, cotton polyester. It's really light. It's like blouse weight, very thin, great drape, very pretty. We have 100% cotton. This is called suitings. This color is called, well, let me look. You guys, I know you don't know this, but we get tags for all these fabrics. So this tag says Rachel Comey. It has, they call it camel. I don't know that I would call it camel, but I'm good with that, 100% cotton. So a lot of times people say, well, it's the wrong color. We name it according to the color that the designer named it. So we just kind of follow their lead because it was their fabric. It's a stretch woven, 100% cotton, beautiful. We have a cotton poly sheer. Isn't that gorgeous? Really, both sides are usable. One side is a little darker than the other, but it's lovely. If the wrong side were to show, it would be fine. This is a stretch woven also. This is a cotton poly knit. It's like almost like the old Slinky knits that used to be around, but boy, do I love it. Also Rachel Comey, cotton poly, stretch in both directions, just lovely. And this is tie-dye. Boy, tie-dye is the hottest thing for spring 2022. We've got it a little bit. This is a cotton poly. This is a French terry. Really beautiful. It has stretch in one direction. All right, so that's it. They're all at $12.99, and literally today only because they are great fabrics and they are going up in price. But $12.99 today. We love them. We hope you do. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.